do a little tour of the dog run from Academy Sports. Bird netting off of Amazon, bird netting poles off of Amazon, and then some little hooks. And that's why we have bird netting, because of the hawks and these little Pomeranians. So the dog run, this is actually 2 of them off from Academy Sports. They're like $1.99, so we bought 2 of them. Just put them together, put railroad ties down, and then conduit clamps. And then these poles off of Amazon that have little balls on the top. But the cool thing was I was able to, these little plastic pieces that press in, drill a 1/2-inch hole, and these slide right in. And I just use a zip tie to kind of hold it in place. And then just some bird netting on top. And then as far as the house goes, I bought these little clips like this. So, working out great. And then the doggy door that I did the other video on for sliding glass doors.